What are some examples of a geometric sequence? Glad you asked that. Whoa, here's kind of one right here. Notice kind of fourth deals, and that one an 8. These kind of keep going smaller and smaller and smaller to infinity and beyond. All right, although it's negative, going to 0 there, really more like a limit. So let's find the sequence whose nth term is 2 to the n is geometric. Basically, we're going to have a lot of exponent stuff in these type problems. And basically, let's think about it. There's our first term, 2, 4, 8, 16. Because 4 is 2 squared, 8 is 2 to the cube, 16 is 2 to the 4th. Right? And if you were to take any of those terms and divide them, you get a ratio of what? 2. So it is geometric. Alright? So, let's find the sequence whose nth term is 4 times 3 to the n. Is it geometric? Well, let's look at it. You have 12, 36, 108, 324. So what we're going to do is this. Just take your terms and divide them. By that, the second term divided by the first, third divided by the second. And if you divide all these terms, the ratio is what? 3. 3 does not equal 0. Notice that number right there. The number in front of the little exponent. Kind of a nice little hint. So, is this one geometric? Well, let's look at it. And let's take our numbers, like right there, and we're going to do what? Plug them in. And think of this here. You have 1 divided by 9, divided by negative 1/3. How do you divide fractions? Got to have a little Diana Ross action going there. You divide by multiplying by the reciprocal of the second number. That's why the upside down. So if you take this and divide it by that, this third term divided by the second, all of them give me negative 1/3. That equals 0. So therefore, it is geometric. Notice, the ratio will simply be that number that is to the nth power. That would simply be a ratio right there. All right. So